Hello guys, Study with Flow back again with another video, and in this video we will see the whole machine learning process which is divided into different phases. And guys, this is our 50th video, so we are planning a giveaway to all our viewers. So watch the video till the end for your surprise giveaway details. So the phases of machine learning are data acquisition, data collection, model training, model testing, model deployment. Let's talk about each phases one by one. So the first phase is data acquisition. Let's go step by step what an ML process looks like. First thing you have to do is actually acquire the data. Now this really depends upon task you are trying to solve. If it's something like a regression problem, you need to require previous house sale data, and this data you may collect from the kaggle.com. Or you trying to classifying image into dogs versus cat, you somehow acquire the various data of images of dogs and cats. So your data is going to have a lots of features based on whatever you're trying to study. In order to take only useful features from the data, we go through the second phase of machine learning, which is data cleaning. So the next step is to clean and organize the data. So again, maybe you got that actual images, but they have too many pixels, so much information, then probably you have to clean the data to get into the nice format, and you can use a pandas skill in order to clean and organize the data. So again, maybe you got that actual images, but they have too many pixels, so much information, and it's gonna take a very long time to train your model. Maybe you clean it down or take it as it is, or you just try to get the faces of the dog and cats instead of the whole body, etc. Or maybe you trying to do the things that normalize the data, so you do some sort of standard scaling on your data, and unfortunately a lot of time to spend on cleaning your data and not so much on making good model. So most of the time here is spent on the data cleaning. So what you do now, you can do what called a train test split, and you gonna split your data into a training set and a testing set. Now there is a lot of split ratio you can use. A really common split ratio is the 30% of your data we test, and then 70% of your data is trained. But it really depends upon the situation, how clean your data is and how much data you have. We will also discuss some data set later on. Once you perform the train test split, it's time to train or actually fit your model on the training data, so you have some sort of model. Now the third phase comes into the role, which is called model training. So in this case we use scikit-learn for model building. So scikit-learn is a Python library which is used to build the machine learning models. It has some predefined algorithms such like linear regression, logistic regression, k-means clustering, and many others. And you can train your model slowly on the training set. Then once you train that model, it becomes time to evaluate that model, and this is where the test data comes in the role. Now the fourth phase, which is called model testing or model evaluation, comes in picture. The reason we use separate test set or the data which is not seen before is so that we don't basically cheat our model, because the model has been trained on the training data set and we can't evaluate it fairly if we use the training data set. That's why we use the test data or the data which is not seen before, just like it were in the real world. Now it is the time to deploy that model. The main idea behind the train test split is that you train your model on the training data and evaluate your model on the data that are never seen before, such as the test data set. Once you've done that, you have to adjust your model parameters so that you can get the best fit on the test data set. So again, train your model in the training data and evaluate how it performs on the test data set. You can make some adjustment back and forth in the parameter. By this way, you can decrease the error and increase the accuracy of our model. Once you satisfied your model evaluation, you can deploy the model on the new incoming data that is on the website or an application. This is the very basic approach in the machine learning. Acquire the data, clean the data, split it into train test data set, train your model on training set, evaluate it against the test set, adjust the model parameter, repeat the process until you're ready and satisfied to deploy the model. against the new data in the web applications. So guys, now this is the time for giveaway details, and kindly take up this time to subscribe our channel Study Flow and hit the bell icon so that you will notified when we post an awesome new video. So guys, this is our educational channel and we are giving a professional machine learning course to the 10 luckiest learners. So all you have to do is to like our video and comment down below the video's best part, and when this video crosses 10,000 views, we will select the best 10 comments randomly, and the top 10 winners will get the professional machine learning course for free. So comments more and more. Hope you will enjoy the video. See you in the next video.